Hi, I'm Dan Smith, the Director in the IP team at Gowling WLG, and today I'm joined by my fellow Director, Matt Hervey. So Matt, why should designers consider IP?
All businesses should consider IP. It's what protects your market and what generates value. It's what distinguishes your company from another company, be it a name, an invention, or a product design. And designers are creative people. They're constantly creating works worthy of design protection, of value to their employers, to their clients, or to themselves.
And what basic steps should designers take when considering IP protection?
Designers should, at the very least, have an initial discussion with an IP specialist to explore if there is an idea that is protectable. They have to be aware that a public disclosure can actually destroy the ability to protect some ideas, particularly if they're seeking patent protection. So if there is an invention worthy of patent protection, they should make sure that they only make disclosures under a non-disclosure agreement. You should also revisit the topic as you refine your design, because in our experience, as your design gets better, the protection may actually become stronger. Now, many designers may feel that they don't have the funds to actually enforce their IP, but that doesn't necessarily matter, because owning IP may in itself create a perception of value in the eyes of potential investors. It may also act as a deterrent in any case.
And what are the threats?
The key threat is that you may infringe someone else's IP. So before you go too far with a product, you should do some basic freedom to operate research. And that would be, at the very least, internet searches for your intended product name and some market research into what the competitors are doing. You should also keep very thorough notes of your design process, because if anyone ever accuses you of infringing their design, you can then prove the independent process you took. The other threat, particularly for a startup, is that founders often fall out. So any startup should ensure that its IP is owned by the company and that any IP generated by an employee or a contractor is automatically assigned to the company.